This is the Apple Watch SE. When it was originally released, it was the most affordable Apple Watch on the market. It was the most bang for your buck. And now there's rumors of a new SE coming out and the Series 7 already out. Is this watch still worth getting? And when you get it, what can you expect from it? Does it still have enough bells and whistles to keep going? Let's find out. The Apple Watch SE is only available with an aluminum case, but you'll be able to choose between silver, gold, and space gray finishes. The 44mm model has a screen resolution of about 368 by 448 pixels. The smaller 40mm model has a 324 by 394 pixel display. It has an OLED display, so it's nice and easy to read, and it comes to life with just a flick of your wrist. The Apple Watch SE has some great health features that come packed inside, including fall detection, noise monitoring, emergency SOS, and international emergency calling. All things you don't think you need until you actually need them. It can't monitor your blood oxygen level, but it can, however, monitor your heart rhythm in the background and alert you if it notices an irregular heartbeat, so you can go get that checked out if the need arises. One of Apple Watch's signature when it comes to their watches is their watchOS program. Right now, these include some pretty cool features like the Lost and Found feature that allows you to find any other device that you have synced up to the watch. The SE also gets sleep tracking and Apple's Fitness app, which includes a new automatic registration when you're riding a bike, so you can accurately track your calories burned and your distance traveled as well. Sleep tracking is another really cool feature to have, but the results are a little dull. No idea if you've slept well or not, but just an update on how long you actually sleep and if you should sleep longer. But all in all, with the watchOS program always coming out with a new update, as long as the SE stays compatible, your watch will always have a new updated things for you. Where the Apple Watch excels is in its smartwatch features. Apple has by far the biggest library of smartwatch apps available, which makes it a true extension of your phone straight to your wrist. You'll have a full customizable watch faces, contactless payments, and if you purchase the LTE model, you can use it independently of your phone. The Apple Watch SE has about an 18-hour battery life, which means you'll be recharging your watch about every day. When it comes to playing music and using GPS, the SE dies much faster. The charge time itself is only about 2.5 hours, which isn't terrible at all, but kind of annoying for a watch that dies faster than it probably should. All in all, in my opinion, the Apple Watch SE is still a very viable Apple Watch to fit with you if you're on a budget. It has plenty of app support as well as watchOS, which will always be getting better as it goes on, which is a huge bonus for smartwatches. Battery life is something that's left to be desired, but it is a small price to pay. If you're looking for the best of the best smartwatch like the Series 7, but you just want a nice compliment, then this is probably the Apple Watch for you. But that's just my opinion. Why don't you let me know your opinions in the comments down below. Give the video a like if you learned anything, and maybe hit that subscribe button if you enjoy these types of reviews. If you want a little bit more of an older, cheaper bit model, then maybe check out this video we have on the Series 3. It might be exactly what you're looking for.